Bon dia, ple matí a la Vila del Pingüí, però valga'm Déu, no som a la Vila del Pingüí. Aquí fa molt de fred, massa fred i tot.
Estem a Bryce Canyon,
Bryce Canyon.
al Parc Nacional. I ara anem, és molt aviat, i ara anem a fer dues rutes. Una que es diu Queen's Garden i una altra que es diu Navajo Loop.
Navajo Loop.
2 hores.
2 hores?
2 hores, sí.
2 hores?
Bueno, hem de fer.
Ja veurem.
Són les 7 del matí i fa molt de fred.
A 8.
I aquí estem darrere, si veieu, dos
Charles.
meravelloses
Charles.
Harley Davidson.
Where the fuck is Bigfoot?
I don't know.
Is he gonna get me?
Is he real?
He's creeping up behind me.
What you see, what you
I
get.
gotta get away.
Would you believe the shapes in the dark and what you think you see and what they really are? Hidden creatures watching from afar. Maybe one day they'll come say hello. Can't understand why I'm so obsessed. Is it obvious? Am I overdressed? Gotta know if you're really alive. If we met, would I even survive?
Where the fuck is Bigfoot?
I don't know.
Is he gonna get me?
Is he real?
He's creeping up behind me.
What you see is what you
I
get.
gotta get away. I don't care about war or who has the biggest guns. And I don't care about weapons of mass destruction. I don't care about aliens or Area 51. Cause I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy,
I'm not crazy.
Where the fuck is Bigfoot?
I don't know.
Is he gonna get me?
Is he real?
He's creeping up behind me.
What you see is what you get.
We're running out of time.
Go! Let's get a boat,
Do crime
stay up late,
and watch porn.
sail the world,
Get in fights
start wars,
with unicorns.
sing and swear,
Live and learn.
love and hate,
Masturbate.
eat and sleep,
Drink and piss.
pirates and sex,
Hit or miss.
fly a hooker, never pay or slay your pimp, liberator, meet the king, deceive the king, steal his gold, kill the king, claim the land, lay his daughter, rule the people, bury treasure, marry twice, maybe nice, then we'll leave the next night. Here I go, I'll explore the 7 seas and I'll find a life for me. I think I'm wanted, dead or alive, I could have sworn I killed the guy. What's the matter, he's just a no. He loves to know me off himself, he got it coming. Wasn't drunk, he wasn't dead. He lost the bet, he lost the game, and now he's dying, now he's dying, now he's dying. That's the road we're living in. We need to learn from our friends, a lesson learned. Growing up with shooting stars and rocket touch, going to hell anyway. But now reserve my room today. I'm a douchebag, loser, alcoholic, sharpshooter, venturer, ladies, man, and one hell of a captain. Banged a mermaid, tamed dragons, nailed a witch, learned magic, built a statue of a penis next to one of the penis. Ate a kraken, found Atlantis, beat Cthulhu, caused panic, met Poseidon, fought beside him, watched him die. Took his trident, was the end of a journey, but birth of the legend, stories told, fables made, all the pirates got laid. Here I go, I'll explore the 7 seas and I'll find a life for me. I think I wanted dead or alive, I could have sworn I killed the guy. What's the matter, it's just a note, he left a note. He lost himself, he had it coming, he wasn't dead. He wasn't drunk, he lost the bet, he lost the game. And now you're dying, now you're dying, now you're dead. That's the road we're living in. We need support from our friends, a lesson learned growing up. Shooting stars and
Hola, sóc Marcus Blake i en aquest tram del nostre viatge per Antílope Canyon, com era un canó bastant fosc i no es veia gaire, he decidit, en comptes de pujar vídeos, que em vaig fer poquets perquè no es veia res, he decidit pujar fotos perquè era més fàcil fer-ne i tal. I han quedat molt més xules. Bueno, i he fet una selecció. Aquí teniu la primera foto, que bueno, té un significat molt especial, perquè, com veieu, la llanterna surt com una flama allí, molt xula, que sembla que és la llum que entra pel canó i es reflexa en totes les parets així vermelloses xules, i en aquesta imatge sembla que surti flash, la llum de la llanterna, molt xula, sí. I a més surt jo, que soc molt sexy i guapo. Bueno, i en aquesta segona imatge, com podeu veure, no té cap significat, absolutament cap, res de res. Simplement sóc jo que surto i per això he decidit posar-la, perquè jo sóc tan guapo i tan sexy que merec tenir una imatge que només surti jo. Bueno, i després està el canó, que és xulo, però estic jo, guapo, sexy. Bueno, perdoneu aquesta tonteria meva que havia de fer. En realitat sí que vaig gravar molts vídeos, sempre gravo vídeos, i bueno, havia de fer aquesta gilipollada, perdoneu-me. Subscriu-vos al canal, doneu-li like i vinga, adeu!
Let's go back to the Stone Age. Unicorns, wizards, and dragons holding me down, I'm spellbound. Sending curses, hexes, and eggs. Wrap it up to keep my gnat safe. Storm the castle and the princess in the dungeon with the succubus. Bring me closer to your body. Listen to the sound of heartbeat. Feel the warmth flow each moment. Waiting for an era of romance. A week goes by, you're still busy. I'm asking what's up, you're a